Look at the phone in your hand right now. I bet you think it's quite useful. After all, you can do a lot with it. You can watch videos, play games, send messages, and maybe even get some work done on it. But I bet your phone can't do this. Or this. And it's not just a party trick either. I'm gonna show you 6 things that you can do with these phones that you can't with yours.
Oh yeah.
The Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip are all about flex mode. This one. This is a feature designed to make full use of the folding phone form factor. Flex mode is useful for watching videos. With flex mode, you won't have to choose between watching a full screen video and browsing the comments. Easily keep the video running in the top half of the phone and scroll comments at the same time. You can also preview and review selfies or photos instantly with flex mode. Just fold it or turn on capture view mode in the camera to shift the layout. Naturally, with a folding device, you can also take pictures without the use of a tripod too. Just fold the device and leave it somewhere convenient, set a timer or use a hand gesture to snap the shot. Obviously, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 come with a phenomenal set of cameras and features that work well with the form factor. Don't believe me? Well, someone get the lights, somebody get a camera, and action! The Galaxy Z Fold 3 features a triple 12-megapixel camera setup, while the Z Flip 3 has a dual 12-megapixel camera setup, so you can have the right camera for every moment. You can also make use of the device's unique form factor to grab some amazing shots. Is the selfie camera not wide enough for you? Use the rear camera to take your selfies instead. Turn on the cover screen and you'll have a nifty viewfinder for all of your framing needs. Asking a friend to take your photo? You don't have to trust them to get the framing right, you can just check it yourself too with the dual preview feature. Multitasking on a small smartphone screen is so yesterday. Now this is how you do multitasking. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 allows for a seamless multi-window experience. Maximize the larger display by running up to 3 windows simultaneously. Not enough? Add more pop-up windows easily through the Edge panel. You can find and switch between your most used apps super easily here too. And don't worry about running out of memory. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and either 256 gigs or 512 gigs of internal storage. That's right, only the best for you. Are you a movie-holic? Bro, have you tried watching movies on this thing? With a gorgeous 7.6-inch QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, your smartphone viewing experience will never be the same. Plus, did I mention that the Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 also come with powerful dual stereo Dolby Atmos speakers that sound absolutely amazing? Well, it does. And the best part, if you don't want to, you won't even need to hold your smartphone with your hand. Flex mode makes no-handed video viewing easily accomplishable. Need to quickly grab your phone and go? Just fold it up and continue watching on the cover screen. It works like a snap. But if you're more of a gamer, bro, have you tried gaming on this thing? Instead of settling for gaming on a tiny smartphone screen, with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 you can unfold it for a whole new level of mobile gaming without interrupting your game. The display is also a fast 120Hz screen, so it makes everything nice and smooth. And if power was a concern, fret not, because the Z Fold 3 only comes with the best of the best thanks to a Snapdragon 888 processor. I know, folding phones sound intimidating because you think that they're very fragile, but bro, don't worry. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are the most rugged folding smartphones Samsung has made. For starters, the frame is made from their brand new Armor aluminum, while the front and back are protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus. The hinge? Well, it's got a new and improved folding mechanism that's designed to withstand up to 200,000 folding and unfolding actions. So, if you fold and unfold this phone 100 times a day, it will still last 5 long years. Oh, and did I mention that these phones are also the first foldable smartphones with an IPX8 rating? Yes, that means that you can rest easy when it comes to splashes and even running water. In fact, you can even completely dunk it in an aquarium and it'll still survive. So, your phone can fold or not? If not, you might want to consider switching because foldable phones are the future of smartphones. And Samsung, well, Samsung's very clearly a leader in this technology. I mean, it's evident from their products. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are powerful and practical smartphones that also have cutting-edge folding display technology. And if price was a concern, well, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 isn't even priced more than you'd pay for a regular flagship smartphone. So, why aren't you on the foldable phone bandwagon yet?